Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ingredients: 1 kilogram new potatoes, scrubbed. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons white wine vinegar. 6 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 3 small shallots, very finely chopped. 1 handful fresh flat leaf parsley, roughly chopped.
Make your mark, take our lead.
German roasted potato salad. Yield 8. Prep time 10 minutes. Cooked time 40 minutes. Total time 50 minutes. Ingredients: 3 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, scrubbed and diced into medium chunks. 1 yellow onion, diced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Sea salt and freshly cracked pepper, to taste. 8 pieces of lean bacon, cooked and crumbled. 3 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.